Hi guys. Okay, so I'm back. Finally, we need to start with our today's lecture, and let's get started. So, what we discussed in the last lecture? What we discussed? What do you think? What we have discussed? Okay, so let's try to understand the next part. So, in the last lecture, we discussed about the roles and responsibility as Oracle DBA. When I say that I'm going to learn some any technology, first of all we need to understand that what is my role there, right? What is my role before you enroll to any technology? The definitely a question which is coming in your mind, that what I will do after learning this technology. So in the last lecture we discussed about the roles and responsibility as a Oracle DBA. If you have not seen, or if you have not joined that session yesterday, you can check that video which is available on our YouTube channel with the name Learnomate Technologies, and there you can join that. Okay, there you can see the roles and responsibility as a Oracle DBA. So this is the second lecture of the Oracle DBA, which is called Oracle Database Administration. Now in last lecture I discussed about how Oracle DBA job play a very important role in our daily life, how it is helping, like what I do. So database is everywhere database is there. Like if you are going to the bank, database is there. If you are going to the movie, let's say you are planning to um, purchase a movie ticket from Book My Show, database is there. If you want to travel by plane, database is there. If you want to travel by train, database is there. The applications like Redbus, database is there. Everywhere database is there, because database is the one which is going to store your data. Database is the one which is going to store your data. So wherever the transactions is happening, transactions means, let's say you are purchasing something, let's say you are doing something, database is there. Everywhere database is there. So that is the reason in the IT industry, if you are asking me, the most useful job or most demanding job is database. Anything which is coming, or any technology which is related to the data, is important technology. Like you take the example of big data, you take the example of databases, you take the example of data science, data analyst. Everywhere, wherever you see the keyword like data, that technology play a very important role in the future, and you can expect a very good package coming for that technologies. So as I said in the last lecture, there are multiple companies are there who are providing the databases. Like we have Oracle database, MySQL database, PostgreSQL is there, SQL Server is there. Microsoft is providing this SQL Server, and likewise Oracle is providing the Oracle databases. Now we got to know that what is the importance of database. And when you have a database, there you need administrator, you need someone who is going to create this database, you need someone who is going to manage this database, who you need someone who is going to check the performance of your Oracle database. All these things is possible with the help of Oracle database administrator only. Fine. So we got to know about the Oracle database administration. Next thing is that how this, I want to understand about the basic architecture. I want to understand about the architecture of database. So in our today's lecture, we will try to understand about the architecture of your Oracle database. What we are going to understand? We are going to understand about the architecture. So the basically your database architecture will be looking like this. You will have a server, you will have a server, and in this server you will have a database. You will have a server, and in this server you will have a database. The server will be provided by the Linux. It can be your Linux server, it can be your AX server, it can be your Red Hat, it can be your Windows server. So Windows, like you know that who is the founder of Windows operating system? It's your Microsoft, right? It's your Microsoft. Linux, there are multiple vendors are available, like Oracle also providing the Oracle Linux. There is a very famous company in Linux operating system, we called it as a Linux, Red Hat Linux. Most of the people are also going for Red Hat Linux certification also, right? So that's a Red Hat Linux. Then we have Oracle Linux is also there. So this operating system, you will have an operating system, and under that operating system you will have a database software. So this is my database software will be there. So mostly in real-time production environment, you will have a Red Hat Linux or you will have Oracle Linux, and under that Linux operating system you will have a database. So in our Oracle DBA training, we are going to understand about how to install this Linux operating system also. Normally in real-time production environment, this Linux operating system will be installed by the Linux team. They are mainly responsible. Linux team is mainly responsible for the installation of Linux operating system. But I am going to show you how to install. I am going to show you how to install Linux operating system, and then I am going to show you how to install this Oracle database also. I am going to show you how to install this Oracle database also. But whenever you are becoming a Oracle DBA, there will be different type of servers you will see, and different type of databases you will see. Whenever you are going to start your career, okay, whenever you are going to start your career into Oracle DBA, you will see a different type of servers. Like different type of server means what? So you will have basically 3 type of servers and 3 type of database. So let's consider this my first server, this is my second server, and this is my third server. Okay, and every server you will have a database. So let's say this is my first database. Here I am going to install my database. Here I am going to install my database. Correct? Now this is something which is actually getting connected to your applications. Applications means you take an example of your Amazon only, Amazon application, right? So this Amazon application is used by the users. But whenever Amazon developer they are adding any feature to the Amazon, do you think that they will directly add to the production environment? No. So basically you will have development server will have development database, then you will have test server will be there, testing, they will have testing database, and this will be your production server, and production will have production database will be there. So if you want to create a table also in future, let's say you want to create a table in production, you are not going to create the table directly in production. You are going to create a table in development first, then you are going to create in test, and finally you are going to create in production environment. You are not going to do everything directly on the production. Everything you are not going to do in the production. No, we will go step by step. First in development, then in test, and finally will be in production environment. Step by steps we are going to do this activity. How are you going to do that? Step by step. Why we are doing a step by steps? Because this production here, the actual users are going to be connected in this location. The actual users, like the people like you and me, you are going to get connected. And if you are directly making changes into the production, and if something went wrong, see, every time whatever you do in your life, that's not 100% correct, right? So what you will do, first of all, you are going to create it in development. Then if everything goes good, then you are going to do it in test, and then you are going to do it in production, right? Basically, when you want to, let's say this is like a car only. Let's say you want to drive a car. Are you going to directly drive a car in production environment? Are you going to drive a car directly on highway? No, right? First of all, you will start driving when people are not there. Then you will do it in test, and finally you will do it, start driving it on highway. Because if you are directly going it on directly, if you are directly start driving it on highway, and if something went wrong, then you know that what is the problem. The life will not come again and again, correct? That is the reason, before we take any risk is always there, but before we directly go to the risk, we start doing that risk in development, so that you'll understand that what are the challenges we are facing here. Then we are doing it in test, and finally we are doing it in production environment. That's the way the things, that's the way the life should be going on, slowly up and above and above, straightforward, correct? So when you are going to work in the real time production environment, when you are going to start your career into the Oracle DBA, you are going to handle all type of databases. Like you are going to handle development also, test also, production also. If you are making any changes, let's say you are making some mistake in development and test. Let's say you have one table is there, and by any chance if you drop the table in development and test, no problem. The there is a word is available in the there is a word is available in the society. What is that? You can say sorry, and you will get sorry. But if you make the mistake over here in the production environment, and if you drop the table, your 1000 sorry also will not make you sorry. They will make you sorry. They will make you sorry because your client is sorry. You got my point? The day you are going to delete a table, they will delete your record from the employee. They will delete your record as an employee. So that is the reason, make the mistake, but do not make the mistake into the production environment. Making a mistake into the production environment, then it is a big mistake in your life. So that is the reason you need to be, DBA is not very difficult job. A database administrator, if you compare it with the other technology, then I would say that database administrator is not very difficult job. But this job is very responsible job. Responsible job means responsible. Who is the most responsible person in your home? Who is the most responsible person? What do you think? DBA is not very difficult job, but it is a responsible job. Responsible job means a small mistake in your environment. Small mistake. Let's say you have done some small mistake in your environment, then it will be a disaster. It will be disaster. You assume a situation that if your SBI internet banking is not working due to some issues, then millions of transaction will not happen, because SBI will be connected to the Amazon, SBI will be connected to the Flipkart and other databases and other applications. The people will not be able to do the transaction by using SBI or ICCI. If the banking system is down, you take example, if the banking system is down, then it's a big disaster. It will be a loss in millions and billions. That is the reason my responsibility as a make sure that the database is up and running 24 across 7. What is my responsibility? To make sure that my database is up and running 24 across 7. Till now, whatever we have discussed, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and let me know if you are able to understand? Sneha is saying yes, Pratibha is saying yes, Lavanya is saying yes, Murari is saying yes, Bhava is saying yes, Sarita is saying yes, Varnika is saying yes, Sonal is saying yes, Ranjit is saying yes. So, Vinayak is saying yes. Jitendra is saying very nice. Rajmani is saying yes. Eva is saying good. Fine. Everyone is saying yes, 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 yes. Fine. So that is the way, that's the reason, why Oracle DBA people have very importance in the IT market. Because when you are working as a Oracle DBA, okay, you are the, when you are working as a Oracle DBA, you are the center, you are the center of all technologies. Center means a very important person, a very important person will be always there in center, right? Same way, when you are the, when you are a DBA, you will be communicating with the Linux team. Why you are communicating with the Linux team? Why you are communicating with the Linux team? Because your server, your server will be hosted on your database, your database will be hosted on Linux server only. Most of the time your 90% server will be on Linux only. So that is the reason I'm always saying that you should have some knowledge about the Linux operating system. And don't worry, if you don't know about the Linux operating system, we are going to learn in our class, we are going to learn in our class. So whenever you are going to start your career as a Oracle DBA, whenever you are going to start your career as a Oracle DBA, you will be in touch with the Linux people. Linux team is a separate team. They are mainly responsible for the reinstallation of Linux, administration of Linux. You will be always in touch with the Windows team also. As I said, your server can be Linux, your server can be Windows also. That is the reason you will be in touch with the Windows people also. You will be in touch with the backup team also. There will be separate backup team will be there. This backup team is mainly responsible for the backup of your everything, backup of your server, backup of your network, backup of your anything it will take. You will be in touch with the storage team also. Storage people, there will be dedicated storage team will be there. You will be in touch with the storage team also. You will be in touch with the other teams like application team. This is very important, application, because your database will be connected to some applications, right? It can be your CRM application, other application, it can be any type of applications. So that is the reason you are the center, you are the, you will be in touch with the network team also. Network team, whenever you configure server, you should understand the network part also. So those people who have a knowledge about network, those people who have a knowledge about storage, those people who have a knowledge about Linux operating system, Windows operating system, we called it as a good Oracle DBA. What we called it as a good Oracle DBA. Then I would say that boss, he is the best DBA. Why? See, when you are becoming a DBA, I'm not saying that you should be expert with each and every technology, but at least the basic part, if you know the basic part of that technology, then definitely you can solve any type of issues. Because when you are becoming a DBA, you should have some knowledge about the Linux also, Windows also, backup also, storage also, network also, and likewise you should have a knowledge about other technologies also. Then I would say that you are not just a DBA, you are good DBA. Good means you can be good DBA, you can be bad DBA, you can be best Oracle DBA also. And one more thing is your communication should be very strong. Why communication should be very strong? Because when you are becoming a Oracle DBA, you will be always discuss with your client. You need to discuss with your client that what's the problem, how are you going to fix that. The communication play a very important role. So that is the reason, if you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA and you are ready to become a Oracle DBA, you can reach out to the number which is available in the comment section. There is a number available with Harish and Dheeraj. So these are the people, like I'll be the trainer, but they are the people who are going to take the admission for you about this Oracle DBA training. So those people who are interested and you think that now it is the time to kickstart my journey into the IT industry as a Oracle DBA, and you want to understand this technology in an easy language, funny language, then we are a Learnomate technology who are going to help you out to start your journey with the IT industry. And we are not only just giving a training, we are helping you to make sure that you will crack it. We'll make sure that you will crack the jobs related to the database administration. We are not new in the IT market. Those people who are thinking that we might be new, we have 20,000 Oracle DBA followers are available on our YouTube channel. Thousands of followers are available on our Insta, on our LinkedIn. Hundreds of batches we have taken till now, and thousands of Oracle databases administrators are selected to the multiple companies from our training. I have 10 plus years of experience into the IT industry while working with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, LTI, and other companies, mid-scale and small-based company I have worked. So I'm going to share my this 10 plus years of experience with you all, and will make sure that you people will be selected into the Oracle DBA. Only the thing is, the way I'm going to put the efforts, the similar way I'm going to expect that you guys are also going to put the efforts, because the effort needs to be happen, the efforts needs to be pushed from both the side, and then and only then the way of success we can achieve from both the side. So those people who think that they want to start their journey into the DBA, they should start their career as soon as possible. Many people are just thinking that I'll start today, tomorrow. This is the right time to take the decision, whether you say yes, whether you say no. Those people who are saying that I have a very huge gap in my career, the gap is coming in your career because you have not taken the decision on the right time. Many times we have seen that the people are ready to spend 1 lakh 2 lakh for the iPhone 15, but they are not ready to invest the money on the educations. So I'm not saying that you should join our classes only, but you need to do something in your life instead of spending a lot of money here and there. I think we should start investing that money on the education side, not only in just DB or any other, okay, anywhere, because that money is going to have multiple iPhone. Say iPhone is just a small thing, especially for the people who is technically sound. Do you know the salary of the person? Do you know the salary of the person who is coming from IT background, how much he is earning? Every month he can take the new iPhone. The person who is having a good knowledge, and if he is doing a business, every day he can take the iPhone. So that's the reality. That's the reality. Okay, that's the reality. So this is a golden time for everyone to think about your career. Don't go for the short term goal, or don't go for the short term happiness. Think about the long term achievement, so that your rest of the life will be in right hand. Are you agree with me, guys? Whatever I'm saying, are you agree with me? Can you please say yes, no, whatever it is? I want to listen from everyone. Gulam is saying yes, Varnika is saying yes, iPhone is saying yes, Pankaj is saying true, Jagdish is saying true, Sneha is saying correct, 100% agree, sir. Murari is saying yes, sir, 100%. So yes, 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 yes. Thank you. So that's the way we should think, and we should try to understand about the future also. So if you guys have any questions related to the Oracle DBA training, I am ready to unmute. If you have any questions, queries, anything, please feel free to ask the questions regarding the training, and I'll take your questions and I'll try to. Please raise your hand. Those people who are interested to join this training, they can fill up the Google form, they can join our WhatsApp group, and those people who want to ask any questions regarding this training, please let me know. I'm ready to take all the questions. Okay, please raise your hands and we'll discuss about this Oracle DBA training. So we have Nitin is there. Yes, Nitin, can you please ask your question?
Yeah, Ankush. Ankush, do you have any weekend offline batch or daily offline batch, evening, most daily, if there is any?
Offline batches in Pune location, it is there.
Yes, yes, I'm looking for Pune location only.
We have the batches available in Pune location. It's a daily batch is also available. We have it right now. One batch is going on. I'm about to complete that batch. The current timing of that batch is morning 11:30 to 1 p.m. So same batch will be replaced with this new batch. So we have a batches available offline also as well as online also. Online batch what we are going to start, that will be like your 8 p.m. IST, the current timing 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. In that time. Pawan, yes please.
Yeah, hi Ankush.
Yes,
Am I audible?
yes, I can hear that.
Yeah. Basically, I just wanted to ask, like, what is the main difference about Oracle and SQL Server? Because I have an opportunity with the SQL DBA. So should I like switch with the Oracle or not?
Now both are the databases. Basically, like whenever you are purchasing any product, the product will be from different companies. Similar way, there is a database called SQL Server is there. This database is provided by the Microsoft, and Microsoft again, it's a huge and big vendor. There is another database is there which I'm talking about, that is a Oracle database provided by the Oracle company. Both are RDBMS database. The main difference is SQL Server will be hosted on Windows operating system. So there everything will be like GUI based. Let's say you want to create a folder, so you'll just right click, just like we use Windows 10, Windows 11 machine, similar way. But whenever you are talking about the Oracle database, it is not a GUI based, it is like a command base. Command base means you need to understand about the Linux command. Let's say you want to create a directory, you need to write down the command like mkdir. So you cannot do mouse and simply you cannot create it. So that's the main difference. Otherwise both are same only. Both have similar sort of concept also. But here one challenge, not a challenge, it's like you will feel like you are doing something good in your life. Everything will be, your day will be started with the black screen and your day will end with the black screen in Oracle. I'm especially saying, so that's the main difference. So next question is from Yashodeep. Yes please.
Good evening, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah. Sir, my question is, as a database administrator, can we offer the role to the employees, those who can write access or read access only, so that some people cannot read, some people cannot edit the database, and
You
we
can
can.
do that. You can create a user and you can just provide the read only privileges to that user, so that he will not be able to insert data, delete data. He can just do select level command. So read only access you can give to the user.
Oh, thank you so much.
Mohammed,
Yeah, hello. Good evening, Mr. Ankush. How are
good
you?
evening. Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, this is Mohammed from Saudi. So actually, I'm an Indian. I'm working as Oracle DBA here, and since some past some time. But the my question is this is related with your questions. Nowadays, in the market, only the if if we are looking for the Oracle after the course, if we are looking for the Oracle DBA, they are not only offer the Oracle DBA. Along with this, they are asking many things with this Exadata, data warehousing, and a SQL server, and also the Hadoop and something data science. And but why they are asking one person can handle the one technology, but this is the is giving asking for the 5 things is a very big huge technologies they are asking. So this is very difficult to get a good opportunity in the market as a Oracle DBA. And also there are a lot of things to be understand, lot of things to be the person who knows. How can we handle this kind of situation after the course?
So I'll tell you one thing, that this is not a new thing. It's a quite old thing only. Now, similar type of questions I got from one person. He was saying that he's working as a SQL Server DB. In my training, what I observed that the people who are coming from MySQL DBA, like there is a person, he is already 10 plus years of experience into the MySQL, and
Yeah.
there is a person, he is already 10 plus years of experience as a SQL Server DBA. Now he is taking a training for Oracle DBA also. Why it is happening? Like, because as soon as your experience keep on increasing, the expectation of the IT industry keep on increasing also. Now they are not asking you to just sit idle or just sit into the one technology. They're expecting that you will work with the multiple people, you will be kind of lead to the multiple technologies, and that is the reason they are expecting that you should have a knowledge about big data also, you should have a
Yeah.
knowledge about the data science. That is the reason I'm saying, like, because these are all technologies are on data level, like your big data, data science, databases, your
Exactly.
like all our data specific technologies are there. So they need someone who will handle all this technology within a single shadow. That is the reason. But I'm always saying one thing to the people, that you should know all the technologies, but you should be expert in one technology. You should always be expert. The person who is not expert in one technology but he know all the technology, he cannot survive into the IT industry. Because your role is, let's say your role is Oracle DBA, the people will ask the question on Oracle DBA only, but they will expect that you should have some understanding, not a knowledge, but understanding should be there about that other technology. If someone is asking what is big data, so you should know that what is big data. And in my experience, my last company and before that 2 companies, I work with the big data technology. So fortunately I had to change my role from Oracle DBA to big data also, and that is the need of IT industry. The IT industry is saying that one person should be aware about multiple technology, but remember one thing, that a person should be expert in one technology. You take your technology, whatever you want to do, be expert in that and try to understand the little bit of other technologies also. But again, when you understand one technology na, you will definitely and very easily you will understand other technologies also, because all technologies are same. All, if I am working as a Oracle DBA and if I want to work on SQL Server, I can easily do that. Very simple, very simple. Same way. The only the thing is the little bit changes will be there. If I'm taking a backup here, same way I'm going to take the backup here. Here also we have full database backup. There also we have full database backup. So things are quite easy and similar way only. Next question, please, if anyone have. Fine. So till now, whatever we have discussed, you guys are able to understand, right? Till now. Yes, 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 yes. Very nice, sir. Thank you. Great to see you that you guys are doing great. Thank you. Very nice. Kalyan, yes, please.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
How much coding is needed for this course? Miss, could you please tell me in the percentage? Or there is
0%.
0%. There is only
0%.
theoretical part in this course.
No, not theoretical. It's a completely a practical oriented training. And but the thing is that here we are working as a Oracle database administrator, and any administrator role will not have any coding kind of things. That is the reason I'm saying, like, any person who is coming from non-technical background, he can easily start his career into the Oracle DBA. So those people who are thinking that I am not good in coding, how can I move into the IT industry? Not a problem. This Oracle DBA doesn't require single line of code also. You should have some basic knowledge about SQL, which is a database, and Linux. Anyway, I'm going to take that, but you don't need to write down a single line of code. Okay, so both are good, don't worry. Again, those people who have some fear about the coding skill set or programming, no need to worry. This is not coding skill set. Anyone coming from BA, BCom, BSc, HR, application support people, BPO people, all are welcome to start their career into the Oracle DB, because there is no single line of code you need to write down into the Oracle DB. That is for sure. Okay.
And sir, how much hour study will be required for a working professional?
How
If I
much?
join-
See, that is all depending upon the smartness of the person. There are few people, they will capture the technology within second. There are people, uh, even if I'm telling 100 times, they will not understand. So it's person to person. Mohammed, yes please.
Yeah, please, Ankush, just 1 minute. Hello,
Yes.
it's audible?
Yes, I can hear that.
Yeah, okay. After this course or this one, will you teach also the Hadoop big data also?
Big data is a separate training. It's not covered under the
Yes, separate training. And you will in this period or after they finish this course or when?
We already have a big data training is there, but we have separate trainers are there. In that training, I am also giving some of the classes. Okay.
Okay, what is the prerequisite for the big data Hadoop for this one?
SQL and Linux,
That's
and
it?
little bit Python.
How about Python? Yeah, that's
Python.
what my was question.
Python is required.
Little bit.
We are
Python.
going to take the Python also. Anyway.
Okay, that's thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. Fine, thank you. What is the difference between database developer and database administrator? Database developer is mainly responsible for writing the SQL queries. Like he'll be responsible to write down the SQL queries like joins, trigger, procedure, functions, PL SQL programming. He is going to write down all these things. But when you are working as a DBA, you don't need to write down the SQL queries also. You need to write down, but very small, basic one. You are not responsible to write down the big queries. Don't worry. Okay. So here, no Python, no coding, just simple SQL, simple Linux. Okay. And don't consider that you will not get good package. Okay. You will get, I know the people, they are getting 60, 70, 80 lakhs also. Okay. So not a problem. What is the difference between apps DB and core DB? Both are little bit in a simple language. Both are like a brother and sister only. Apps DB will be based on application side. Core DB is like a core concept of Oracle DB, where we discuss about architecture, how to take a backup and all. Some concepts are similar, like here also we apply the patch, they apply the patch on application side. So both are kind of sense. Any more questions, guys? Anyone want to ask before I leave? Mohammed, you already asked, right? Okay, anyway.
And this is different question. I'm sorry.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just a little bit confused. The big data and Hadoop. So what is a Hadoop and what is the big data? What is the data science? This is the confusion.
No,
actually.
data science is completely separate. Big data and Hadoop both are same. Okay.
So which product is it? Oracle product or
No. Big data or Hadoop, it's a open source technology provided by Apache. It's a open source. You don't need to have any license, but for Oracle you need to take the license.
Is there any more opportunities for the big data Hadoop? Is
Very
beneficial
high.
for Oracle DBA? Very high demand.
There is not much relation of Oracle DB and big data. Both are not much
different.
base. Both are separate technologies. Okay, but I would suggest big data for the people who have um expertise, or maybe those people who are interested in coding skill set, like a programming.
Okay.
Okay,
So it's not
those people.
suitable for the DBS, Oracle
No,
DBA. Then
no. If
not
you want to
suitable.
go, then you should go with the Hadoop admin side was there initially, but now that is captured by the cloud side. So don't go with that also now. Hadoop
Okay, the
admin
cloud
was
is.
very,
Mhm.
very high demand. It was in very high demand previously 5 years back. Hadoop admin,
Hadoop
but
admin.
now Hadoop admin role gone because of this cloud. Because already
Yeah.
cloud vendors are there in
This
the market.
OCI, Oracle Cluster
Oracle
Cloud
Cloud is there,
Infrastructure.
AWS is there,
Yeah.
then GCP is there. So they have removed this admin side. So
Okay.
similar people now they are working as a this side, cloud side.
So okay. That's okay. I will contact with the guy who is making the chatting with me on WhatsApp. I will negotiate for this the course starting. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. And sorry for bothering you more.
Not a problem. That's my
Okay. Okay, Ankush.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. Who is having the questions again? So that's the way we are going to start this Oracle DBA training. Like we already started that, and tomorrow also we are going to connect. But from tomorrow, it will be paid training. So those people who are the part of these uh, paid classes, they will get a separate link. um, Again, I would like to thank you so much for listening me, and those people who enrolled for SQL and Linux. I hope you people have enjoyed these sessions. So basically our agenda was to make sure that every person who is coming from non-technical background, he should be aware about this SQL and Linux, so that he can kickstart his journey in any technology, not only just in Oracle. This SQL and Linux, as I said, for big data also you can utilize that. So everywhere it is going to be really helpful for you. We are going to come up with such a type of free trainings in future also, and we'll be in touch with your TNP officers, whoever are the POCs. We'll be in touch with them, or you can also ask them to get in touch with us, so that whenever there is any free trainings, maybe big data or maybe SQL or maybe Linux, uh, everyone will understand that. Okay, now going forward from tomorrow, we I I don't know whether we'll be connecting to all these people, because we are going to start this Oracle DBA paid training from tomorrow. Okay, but again, it was a nice experience with you all to have you here from last 1 month. You are continuously in touch with me. Okay, okay, there is a question from Gaurav. Let me see what he's saying. Yes, Gaurav.
Sir, I'm just asking that how do we get the link of tomorrow classes, sir? Like I already enrolled in that, but how?
Did you enroll for Oracle DBA?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
You will get to know. Okay, you will the sales team will provide you. Okay,
Thank you.
details. Yeah, thanks. Okay, there is a question from Vishal. Let me take that. Yes, Vishal.
Hey, hi Ankush. My
Hi.
question is, as a Oracle DBA, which cloud is better, AWS or OCI?
See, there is always competition is going on in between both these. Both are good. I don't have exact answer for this, because if you want to become a Oracle DBA, I would suggest to go with the Oracle Cloud only. because we have faced some of the challenges in other platforms like Azure. We have seen challenges like your rack will not work properly. AWS we have seen quite good. Okay, so AWS is also one options, but if you are specific to the Oracle, my suggestion would be Oracle Cloud, because you'll directly get the support from your Oracle itself. So that is also good. But again, like, if you try to understand the cloud side, all the cloud vendors are similar only. If you understand the Oracle side, you will definitely understand very easily the AWS side also. AWS have their AWS RDS is there, that is also dealing with the similar things. Okay. Kshitiz.
हाँ
Yes.
सर
हाँ Kshitiz.
सर जो हमने एसक्यूएल एंड लिनक्स का कोर्स किया है उसका सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिलेगा कुछ?
सर्टिफिकेट दे देंगे आपको, मैं बताता हूँ इनको, आपको भेजने का।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू। Okay, Aditya, yes please.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग
सर मैं है ना आपकी यूट्यूब चैनल से है ना सर, ओरेकल डीबीए का जो क्लासेस है ना सर,
हाँ
वो उस पर रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ, वो भी सीख रहा हूँ,
हाँ
और उसके साइड बाय साइड है ना दूसरे रिलेटेड अभी आपका पेड कोर्सेस है सर।
हाँ
बराबर, आपने भी स्ट्रैटेजी से किया कि एक देंगे फिर बाद में आ जाएंगे, तो मैं है ना दूसरा भी साइड बाय साइड चेक कर रहा हूँ सर। इवन मैं
हाँ
ओरेकल के, आप भी जस्ट रिसेंटली ओरेकल की वेबसाइट पे भी देखा नहीं क्या, तो फ्री में है क्या, पर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है सर। ओरेकल डीबीए का कोर्स फ्री में काम मिला तो कैसा सर, इंटरेस्टिंग आ रहा है सर आपके लेक्चर, ऐसा कर रहा हूँ ना सर, अच्छा लगता है नहीं क्या ऐसा। इधर भाई से झगड़ के मैं लैपटॉप ले रहा हूँ सर, नहीं क्या कि भाई लेक्चर को बैठना है, कुछ भी कर ऐसा वही।
यार, दिक्कत क्या है ना बॉस, कि सब कुछ अगर फ्री में देंगे ना तो साला कटोरा लेके हमको भी घूमना पड़ेगा।
नहीं नहीं सर, ये बात तो सही है सर आपकी, नहीं सर पर इंटरेस्ट है सर, तो ऐसा नहीं सर, इंटरेस्ट सर। अभी कैसा सर, जॉब पे लगना है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है सर।
मैं बोल
लिनक्स।
रहा हूँ ना, देखो अभी जॉब पे नहीं हो
हम्म
तो यही अपॉर्चुनिटी हम लोगों के लिए आपसे पैसा निकालने का।
हम्म
जो बंदे ऑलरेडी जॉब पे है वो हमको
हम्म,
पैसा देंगे क्या?
नहीं वो बात तो है सर, सर पर मैं
बराबर है।
दूंगा आपको, मैं दूंगा सर।
अरे
नहीं सर,
ऐसे हजारों लोग मिलते हैं हमको, क्या
नहीं
बोलते
नहीं
हैं
सर,
कि सर मेरे को जॉब पे लगने दो, मैं आपको सैलरी दे दूंगा।
नहीं
ऐसा
सर।
मैंने अपने लाइफ में बहुत लोगों के साथ में किया। इनिशियल फेज में ऐसा नहीं है। पहले क्या होता था ना, लाइक वी वर नॉट हैविंग एनी स्ट्रक्चर मीन्स लाइक आई वाज द ट्रेनर, सो आई यूज टू टेक द एडमिशन। सो मेरा कैसा गरीबी वाला सेटअप चल रहा था उस टाइम पे। तो खुद ही ट्रेनिंग लेता था, खुद ही एडमिशन लेता था, खुद ही लोगों के बच्चे पैसे लेता था, एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स आई वाज डूइंग देयर। सो उस टाइम पे हमने बहुत कुछ ऐसा किया कि काफ़ी लोगों को फ्री में पढ़ाया, काफ़ी लोगों के ऐसे भी देखा कि चलो जॉब पे लगे। लेकिन मैं इफ़ यू आई टेल यू वन थिंग, दैट देर आर many people are there, they are able to crack the interview by just watching my YouTube channel. Not only just my YouTube channel, other YouTube channels are also there, but yes, there are many people, they are able to crack it by just watching free YouTube channel also. But for that you should have a dedication, उतना वो होता है ना अंदर, वो कीड़ा चाहिए। ओके,
है सर कीड़ा, है सर।
तो वो कीड़ा बाहर निकालो।
नहीं सर, मैं ना इनकेस अभी पेड कोर्स नहीं लिया ना सर, इनकेस मैं जॉब पे लग गया ना, मैं आपको पक्का मिलने आऊंगा। मैं नासिक का हूँ सर, पर पक्का मिलने आऊंगा सर।
अच्छा, कोई नहीं,
ऐसा
करो मेहनत। ओके, बाकी तो है हम लोग। और वैसे आज भी 2 रिकॉर्ड मैंने किए हैं, तो वो भी
और
इंफॉर्मेशन आई
इवन
जाएगी।
सर क्या हुआ था सर, आपका यूट्यूब चैनल पे आपने 5 days का लिनक्स फ्री एसक्यूएल डाला था, और मैं
हाँ
उधर से मैं आया, फिर आपको मैसेज भी डाला, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट डे ऑफ एसक्यूएल एंड लिनक्स, तो आपने बोला यू हैव, आपकी गलती हो गई, आप लेट ज्वाइन, मुझे बहुत लेट मिला वो सब चीजें, नहीं क्या।
अच्छा
फिर आपके जो क्लासेस 5 days का मैंने वेबिनार किया लिनक्स का, फिर बाद में यूट्यूब पे लिनक्स के भी कमांड्स का प्रैक्टिस किया अच्छे से, उबुंटू कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं वैसा, फिर आपके साथ ओरेकल 21C एक्सप्रेस एडिशन भी किया, गलती से मेरे से अनइंस्टॉल हो गया वो, गलती से फिर वो फाइल्स मेरे से हो रहे नहीं थे, वो भी इसको प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व किया मैंने अच्छे से। अभी फिर ओरेकल पे थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट किया, थोड़ा थोड़ा कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट पे ऐसा। एंड बाकी सीक्वल का अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है मेरी, जॉइंट्स आते हैं, स्टोर प्रोसीजर आते हैं, ऐसा
अच्छा,
वही।
बढ़िया है, बढ़िया है, करते रहो, करते रहो।
हम्म।
बाकी जॉब मिल ही जाएगा। जॉब का क्या है, जॉब मिल
सर
ही
सिर्फ
जाएगा।
जॉब का क्या सीन है सर, मैं जब अप्लाई करता हूँ सर, 1 3 एक्सपीरियंस, 4 एक्सपीरियंस, ये बहुत बुरा लगता है सर, ठीक है, 0 1 आ रहा ही नहीं सर। उसके साथ में साइड बाय साइड पाइथन लैंग्वेज भी सीख रहा हूँ डेटा डेटा के लिए सर, ऐसा। और ऐसा नहीं सर, जावा तो एकदम फुल एंड फाइनल आता है अभी तो, जावा को कोई टेंशन नहीं, पर जावा पे जॉब ही नहीं मिल रहा है sir। सब एक्सपीरियंस एक्सपीरियंस आ रहा है सर, नहीं क्या।
यार ये तो दिक्कत है मामा। कोई नहीं
और
कर।
और ऊपर से सर फ्री सर्टिफिकेशन इतने ले लिए सर, यूडेमी से, इधर से उधर, इधर से उधर, ऐसा नहीं सर कि प्ले करके छोड़ रहा हूँ, देख रहा भी हो डेटाबेस कैसा बनता है भाई, ऐसा।
डोंट वरी, कीप हार्ड, कीप वर्क, कीप डूइंग वर्क ना, द थिंग्स विल बी डन। करते रहो मेहनत, आज ना कल सक्सेस मिल ही जाएंगी।
पर नहीं सर, पक्का मैं आपको मिलने आऊंगा, मेरा जॉब को ना जमाने में एक तो यार ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, मिलूंगा
आ जाना, आ
पक्का।
जाना। चल,
थैंक यू सो मच।
ओके, थैंक यू। ओके, अभिषेक, यस प्लीज।
Hi, sir.
हाय अभिषेक।
Sir, what is the difference between Oracle Linux and Solaris?
See, both are Linux operating system only provided by two different companies. Okay, so Oracle Linux is provided by the Oracle, but you need to understand one thing, that the Linux commands are not going to be changed whenever you are using Linux operating system, Oracle Linux, Red Hat Linux. All the Linux command which I have discussed in the Linux training, all are same irrespective of any Linux operating system, Solaris Linux or any Linux, it will be same only. Okay, so not a problem. MMPOM,
A quick question for you. When is your class? What is the time?
this Oracle DBA training you're saying, this
Yeah.
Oracle DBA training we are going to start by 8 p.m. IST. So let me tell you in EST, it will be 1 minute, 8 p.m. IST to EST. So it will be 10:30 a.m. EST for you.
It goes for how many hours? 1 hour.
1 hour,
per
1 hour, correct, 1 hour.
Okay,
10:30.
thank you.
Thanks.
Every day? How many days?
For 3 months, it will be for 3 months, Monday to
many days?
Thursday. Yeah, Monday to Thursday.
Monday to Thursday.
Yeah, it will be, I think, for you Sunday to Wednesday, because we are little bit behind for you.
Yeah, no Sunday. Monday, you start at what? 8 p.m.?
Yes, so let me check.
No, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. your time on Monday is 10:30 my time.
Correct.
On Monday is morning. So it's about 11 hours.
Correct. It is definitely 10:30 p.m. for 10:30 a.m. for you.
Yes. So if you're doing that Monday evening, Monday your time, it must be Monday morning my time. Okay, that's fine. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, so I think I have responded to all the answers till now. If you have any questions, queries, anything, Aditya, it's done, right? Aditya is done. Yes, please, Aditya.
सर ऐका ना, ओरॅकलचं करायचं असलं आपल्याला तर स्टार्टिंग कशापासून करायची, 21C पासून करायची का
19C.
12C पासून? 19C. ओके, तो डाऊट क्लिअर करायचा. थँक्यू सो मच सर.
Thank you. Kalyan, I think you are done, right?
Sir, currently I am a Oracle database developer. So will this course helpful to me?
Yeah. See, I'll tell you, like all these developer, all this MySQL DBA, SQL Server DBA, they will come to the Oracle DBA only. And Oracle DBA and this developer will be in touch with each other continuously. They'll be in touch with each other continuously. So definitely this is going to be helpful for you. Okay, so we have done, I think. What about the OCP, OCA certification? We are going to help you out about this certification also. So this certification, we are going to help you out whenever we are taking the training. We definitely have a job oriented training. My main approach is to make sure that you people will be selected. We are going to discuss about all the interview questions, answer mock interviews, everything. Along with that, if you want to crack the certification related to the Oracle like OCA, OCP, we can help you with that also. Okay, we will definitely help you with that, and we'll make sure that you will clear the certification. That is my guarantee. Those people who are going through this Oracle DBA training, if you're, they can show 5+ years of experience, 6+ years of experience also. If you're going with the RAC, then till 10+ years you can show, not a problem. Okay, so I hope you people have enjoyed the SQL and Linux training. I'll definitely miss you guys. There are many names I still remember from the beginning. These people are joining and they used to send a message. I have read all the reviews which you have shared to our Google, and that is really helpful for to grow up in my career also and your career also. So those people who want to be in touch with us, they can enroll to the Oracle DBA training. They can fill up the form. You can be the part of this WhatsApp group also. And again, I'm saying that in future also we are going to start some of the free sessions, and be in touch with our WhatsApp group, Telegram group. Don't go here and there, otherwise you will miss the way you have missed. So we'll start uh, giving these free sessions again very soon. Okay, but for now, those people who are interested to join this Oracle DBA training, not only just Oracle DBA, it is starting from SQL and Linux also. Along with the features, you'll get a lot of features, like you'll get the lab access, you will get support, you will get mock interviews, you will get interview questions, everything will be available. So I'll take one more question from Ali. Yes, please.
Hello, hi sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
So I just know about that today is your last session.
Mostly for SQL and Linux, yes.
Okay, and what about your certifications regarding, as you remember, you said that.
That free SQL and Linux certification you guys are saying?
Yes, sir.
We are going to send that. We'll send that.
And sir, can you please tell me about what is the fee structure would you have charged for online students?
You can check with the support team, which is available. The number is available in the comment section. They will tell you all the details.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Those people who wish to communicate with us, or you want to visit us, they can go to this website. This is our official website of Learnomate Technologies, and if you click on the trainings, you can see there is trainings available related to the Oracle DBA. I think it's here on page 2. I'll copy it, and you can see here you can enroll to this training. I have given you link in the chat options. Okay, so you can just enroll from there. So learnomate.org, this is the official website. Learnomate.org, this is the official website, and बुरा तो लग रहा है भाई. So again, it was like daily responsibility to come here in the night time by 9 to 10, see you guys. Okay, so I think this is the end of this free SQL and Linux. So again, thank you so much for listening me, and I hope you guys have enjoyed a lot through these lectures. In future also, we are going to add more and more things in the future. Okay, please do like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel. Those people who are interested for training, please share our name to you, because we are genuine people. We are the people who provide the best technology training, and we'll make sure that you guys will get placed somewhere, and you will be starting your career into the IT industry. Okay, please consider that whatever we have, I'm saying, like, whatever we have told you, whatever you must have learned from us, this is going to be really helpful for you in your future also. Those people who have taken our training seriously, you will see the magic of this training in future, when you are going to start earning in dollars, earning in rupees. Okay, so I'll be coming back again with some interesting training in future also, but for the time being, I need to say bye bye, because we need to start with our Oracle DBA training also, and we need to start providing the support to that people also. So I need some free time, and that free time I'm going to use with that people. But I'll miss you guys. Okay, please share the feedback with your TNP officer, so that for the next batch also they'll be happy with us, and also share with our information with your friends, colleague, and other people who want to start their career into the IT industry. So thank you so much for listening me, and it was a nice experience to have you all here. As I said, I still remember your name, and it's not a good it's not a bye bye. I'll be back very soon. Please be available on my Insta. uh I'll be there. Okay, very soon I'll be there on my Insta and all. Okay, but I'll keep sharing my knowledge till the time I am here. Okay, I'll make sure that you people will understand a lot of good things from me. मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, ये जो वीडियो है ना ये यूट्यूब पे तो रहेगा. ओके, सो बी विथ मी, and I'm telling you, you'll learn a lot with me. Follow our YouTube channel, and you will understand a lot of things from our YouTube channel. Okay, fine guys, thank you so much again. I'm done with my free SQL and Linux. So thank you so much for hearing me and listening me. कल से मेरी ये आवाज आप तक नहीं पहुंचेगी, but I'll be there with you all, with our YouTube channel, with my Insta, and if you are the part of our group, then you will see our daily things from our side. Do not worry about the attendance. Do not worry about the certification. This is just a piece of paper. What matter is, the matter is knowledge, and that should be there with you whole life. If you forget the concept, not a problem. You will recall it very soon, because you have gone through my training. And जो भी बंदा मेरी ट्रेनिंग से जाता है ना, वो जिंदगी में भूलता नहीं है. So those people who want to start their career into the IT industry, and you think that you want to become a Oracle DBA, join us. Along with that, we are going to start with our other trainings also. Along with that, we are here to start with the other trainings also. Like we are going to start with other trainings like your SQL, Linux, then we have data science, and other trainings are also there. Okay, so many trainings we are going to start, not a problem. Okay, fine, thank you, and let's get connect to our, and wait for me till the time I'm going to start my new free SQL and Linux, or maybe we'll start with the other technologies also, but just wait for me. Thank you, and remember my name. My name is Ankush Thodi. I am the CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies Private Limited. Okay, चलो फिर मिलते हैं. Bye bye.